Hey, anyways, guys, good night. My name is David, and I'm gonna do a tutorial or QGIS tutorial. It's my first time doing a tutorial like this, and I hope you can bear with me and have patience with me. And what I'm gonna do is I'm trying to uh, generate a DEM or a digital elevation model, and then on my QGIS software, and then I will try to manipulate it with some QGIS plugins to come up with a 3D model or a 3D image. So thanks once again, and without further ado, I'll just move on straight into the tutorial. So first of all, as you can see, I have my QGIS software open up. So QGIS software is an open source open source software that can be found on the internet. If you can just go and Google QGIS software, you can download it freely from the internet, and then you can install it and you can run it on the computer. So here's my QGIS software that I'm going to use to do this tutorial. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm bringing my base maps. So I'll be working with um, I'm bringing my go to my browser, and I'm bringing my OpenStreetMap, and I'm also bringing my DEM image as well. Yep. So you want to work with your base maps here. So these are the two base maps which I've loaded in my X, Y, and Z tiles, and I'm just loading it into my workspace here. Panel here. One other thing, you might want to change your CRS, your coordinate reference system. For me, I'm using the WGS84 UTM Zone 55S, so I'll be using that, which is applicable to me at the moment. For those of you in different areas, you might be using different CRS, but I'm using that one for this project, which is applicable to me, so I'm using that. Okay, you just click apply and click OK. Well, it's giving me a funny same, so I'll just leave it as it is. I'll just go back to 4226. Right, and okay, yeah, we can work with that. And by being images, so yeah. Anyways, we'll just work with that for now. Okay, then I'll just zoom into my area of interest. So my area of interest is in Eastern Islands. I'm working in Eastern Islands, particularly in Kainantu. I'm working in the of south of Kainantu. So um, yeah, probably yeah, Tirokale. Yeah, so that's basically where I'm working at the moment. Is the place of work. So I'll just use this as an example. Um, but this is in work as an example for now. So sorry for that. Just some network errors. I'll just close for this first. Sorry. Yeah. So yep, that's kind of where I'm working at. So the street map here. So we're basically working in the Tirokab area, working in the Tebio and all this area around here. So I'm just gonna use this as a an example from a tutorial. So the next thing you want to do is you have to go to your plugins, and then you have to go and click manage and install plugins, and you have to have internet connection as well for it to be loaded. And then you go to the search bar and you type in SRTM, and then you can download it here. Click, you will see install plugin, so you go install. For mine, as you can see, it's already installed, so I'll just go ahead with working with my SRTM. So let's go to your plugins, and then you go to the SRTM downloader is. So click SRTM downloader, then you click set canvas extend. But before doing that, you have to go to your Google Chrome, and you have to go to go to data, and you log and create a file in it, 8 data. So you have to register with 8 data in order for you to use this. You use the SRTM for this project. So you have to go and create or you have to register. You have to register in order to use the data here. So you have to go and I think somewhere here will have about register. So you have to register. I think get started. Yes, you just go and click get started, and then you can register. And then you have to sign in with your password and the username and all that. So anyways, going back to the project, yes, I think downloader, and then um, I'm just gonna um, just download this file. It's gonna take a while. Um, so it's gonna take a while for it to load. So in the meantime, while waiting, uh, in the meantime, while waiting, I'll just go and show you another quick way of how you can load a DEM file. So what you can do is you can go to your Google Chrome, and then you go to uh, Google Earth. So you go type in Google Earth engine here. There you go. You click the one, and then you go to yeah, Google Earth engine. Click the one. Um, yeah, no, sorry. Google Map is going to Google Earth, and yeah, Search Engine Explorer. Click that, and then you will go in. So some of you will say that you won't be logged in. So you have to go and create an account. You have to register with Google Search Engine in order for you to be registered. So you'll be given a password so you can log in. Because when you log in, you can use other features of this Google Earth Engine. So as you can see here, I'm logged in with my email here, so I can basically um, uh, have some access to other features which if I don't have an account, I wouldn't have access to these features here. So you go ahead and you click data catalog, and then you go into your SRTM and you click SRTM, and then you would want to use this WWF file sets as we post in DM. There's a couple of them here which you can use, but I think the one more applicable to us would be this yeah, would be this one here, I guess. Yeah. So you can just like open your workspace, and then it's gonna load. Well, but before that, sorry, before that, you just go delete it first. You have to just zoom in the particular area of interest. So for me, I wanted to go into the inventory area where it is Vampira, what price? Yeah, Kami. Some scan entry is somewhere here. Yep. Oh no, yeah, scan entry is here. Okay. There we go. Let's zoom in more. Yep. Let's say there. To progress continues here. So smooth is here. So progress onward. Big area. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to navigate my way around here to see where I'm at. So, mm, mm. Okay, there we are. Okay, zero copy. So that's kind of the area where I wanted to get this DEM from. So I'll just go to allocating above. Same thing as SRTM. Then you go and click probably this one here. So you open your workspace. Okay, there you have it. So let me just go and click this download layer here. Then go to the viewport. It is a long rectangle. So you basically want to get the SRTM for this area here. So you just do a rectangle. There you go. Beautiful. Then you download it. Probably it's not the right one. Probably not the right one. Sorry guys. This is a come here and data gateway. SRTM. Um, mm, the SRTM. That's the right one. There you go. Okay. Basically, you download and then mm, let's put this base here. Download it. Yep, you got it. So now it's downloading a zip folder here. There you go and so in folder. Mm, and you basically wanna extract this file here, right? So you just like um, maybe cut this file and put it to your desktop. Let's put it on the desktop first. Yeah, okay. And then you wanna zip it, whatever. Yeah, so there you go. There you go. So yeah, there you got the visible result DEM or visible or DEM data already here. So you can just close this one. Okay. Okay, for your SRTM download on the other side, you use the plugins. It's downloading to DEM files here. But I just wanted to show you different ways where you can download your DEM files. So for the DEM files, you just go to layer, you add layer, and then you go add raster layer. You go to raster data set, and then you go click yeah, there you have it. You open it, then you add also, it's not really clear, but it was your DEM file. Um, I think there's another clear one that I had earlier on, so I'll just load that one in. So I'll just go to my raster layer, super again, and should be I think I removed it, I guess. But anyways, yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. But yeah, okay, I think these two images are already downloaded. The DEM images. But I can just go and get the other one. It's from the result video. I'm just going to install it. But yeah, let's install this one. Okay, okay, and that. Okay, so just go to your project here, and you go to layer, add, master layer, click, and you go to desktop, and you click this one, and you have it, default, open, and then you add, and you close. So you have your version model loaded there, but it's loading in a different place here. Not where it need to be. Anyways, I'm just waiting for this to load. Waiting for this to load. It takes a while for it to load, so you have to be a bit patient. Allowing it to fully load because it has to connect to the data server for it to load the DEM file, so it takes some time for it to load. But I've already done this process already, so I mean I've already downloaded this stuff already, so it's already in my computer. So I'll just go to layer and then set layer, pass the layer, and I'll just go to where I'll store it, and it's on my desktop. I'll just go to my yeah, click it, and let's click add buildings. You see there I have it already added already here, so that already on the other side. Okay, okay, that's the one I just loaded. Is this one here, the DM file here, and that's the other one from the Google Earth Engine one is this one here. So there are actually two ways where you can actually download these DEM files. One is from the Google Earth Engine through the Explorer, and then the other one is through the plugin here, SRTM downloader, and you download it. So these are basically two ways in which you can download your DEM files to use. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to switch this off, and I'm going to switch this one on, and I'm going to switch on my Bing image, and I just zoom into where I was working at. So before that, let's open my street map first. Switch off again. Then we just um, scroll into where I've been working. So Tigumpa, let's see. Teokala. So that's basically where I was working at. So I'll just switch on my Bing image for now and move up a little bit. So this is basically the ridge area was working. I'm working at this called the Tebio and Yao Ridge is this one here, which we've been working. So I'll try to do a DM image for each one. I mean the DM images will be created, which is this one here, as we saw already. Um, so I'm going to create a 3D image for each one here using these DEM files, this S07E145, to create a 2D image of this ridge here, the Yao or the Tebeo ridge, which we've been working on. So first of all, you zoom into the place of interest where you want to work on, and then you have to go to plugins, manage initial plugins, and then you have to download a plugin called QJ or QGIS 3JS. Yeah, it's this one here. What is it called? It's called QGIS 2 3JS. So QGIS 2, QGIS 2, 3JS. Okay, that's what this one here. I've already installed it, so not necessary for me to install it because I've already installed it already. So I'll just go ahead and work in this plugin. It's a very awesome plugin. So once I've zoomed into the place that I wanted to work with, and using my DEM files and this big image, I'm going to generate a 3D image of this place. So you can just go to plugins, or you can just go click this icon here, and then just click this icon, and then it's gonna just automatically build your files, or you can click you can test doing that. Some problem with that, I guess. Mm, so there must be some problem here. Let me see. So trying it. Problem. Okay. I'm trying it. Okay, it's pretty much flat. Yeah. Mm, mm, anyways, I don't know what's wrong with that, but yeah, but that's basically what you can do um, um, to get the DEM files and load them. I'm sorry, I don't know what's wrong with that. So hold on. I wanted to do a 3D type of stuff, but seems like this thing is messing with me. So I think I'll just leave it like that. Mhm. Anyways, I think you get what I was trying to get at it, how to generate these DEM files, and then you can use these DEM files to generate your contours and your drainage patterns and all that using these DEM images, which you can get it from Google Earth Engine or from your SRTM download or from your SRTM plugins. You can download these images from there. So I think that's pretty much what I wanted to get across this tutorial. So I hope you all learned something, and if there's any question, anything, just uh, leave a comment below, and I'll see if I can answer them. But thanks a lot, guys. Peace.